BYD has just launched the new Xia model at Beijing's famous Water Cube, an exciting addition to the MPV market with BYD's latest DM 5.0 PHEV technology. The Xia offers four versions, ranging from 249,800 to 309,800 yuan, with two battery options providing 100 kilometers and 180 kilometers of all-electric range. The spacious 7-seater MPV comes with luxurious features like electric sliding doors, double-layer soundproof glass, and a large 15.6-inch infotainment screen. In the higher-end models, you get heated, ventilated, and even massage seats, along with advanced tech like AR projection for easy door access and a drop-down entertainment screen for rear passengers. The top excellence version includes a 12.3-inch passenger screen, a powerful DiSound system with 28 speakers, and even detachable outdoor Bluetooth subwoofers. Powering the Xia is a turbocharged engine paired with a robust electric motor, delivering up to 200 kilowatts. With BYD's Blade battery technology, the Xia promises impressive fuel efficiency and a comprehensive range of up to 1,060 kilometers. The Xia also features advanced driving assistance and intelligent damping control for a smooth ride. Stylish, spacious, and packed with innovative tech, the BYD Xia is redefining what you can expect from an MPV.